Hi. Let's learn about the London Interbank Bid Rate, LIBID. The London Interbank Bid Rate was the average interest rate at which major London banks bid for eurocurrency deposits from other banks in the interbank market. It was the bid rate that banks were willing to pay for eurocurrency deposits and other banks' unsecured funds in the London interbank market. Eurocurrency deposits refer to money in the form of bank deposits of a currency outside that currency's issuing country. The London Interbank Bid Rate was the other side of the more famous London Interbank Offered Rate, LIBOR. Whereas LIBOR was the ask rate at which a bank is willing to lend eurocurrency deposits to another bank, LIBID was the bid rate at which banks are willing to borrow. LIBOR was the benchmark rate for interbank lending and was calculated for 7 maturities for 5 currencies: the Swiss franc, the euro, the pound sterling, the US dollar, and the Japanese yen. LIBID was used in the interbank market but was not standardized or publicly available. Both LIBID and LIBOR were reference rates set by banks in the London interbank market. LIBOR was the benchmark rate for interbank lending and is calculated for 7 maturities for 5 currencies. Before LIBOR fell out of use, there were 35 different LIBOR rates released to the market every day. LIBID and LIBOR were phased out due to rate-fixing scandals, and LIBOR was replaced by the Secured Overnight Financing Rate. Both LIBID and LIBOR were considered the foremost global reference rates for short-term interest rates. They were used in a variety of global financial instruments such as short-term interest futures contracts, forward rate agreements, interest rate swaps, and currency options. The London Interbank Mean Rate was the calculated average between LIBOR and LIBID and was used to identify the spread between the two rates. The last LIBOR rate was published on June 30, 2023, and was replaced by the Secured Overnight Financing Rate. However, UK regulators required the continued publication of synthetic US dollar LIBOR for at least 15 months after that date. Both LIBID and LIBOR were phased out due to rate-fixing scandals. The London Interbank Offer Rate and Bid Rate, LIBID, were phased out due to a rate-fixing scandal that questioned the validity of these reference rates. The final LIBOR was published in 2023, and LIBOR was replaced by the Secured Overnight Financing Rate, SOFR. As a reference rate, LIBOR was replaced by the Secured Overnight Financing Rate. However, a synthetic US dollar LIBOR is still being published in order to aid the transition. LIBID was an interbank reference rate used to measure the cost of borrowing money between different banks. Along with LIBOR, it was frequently used in variable rate mortgages and contracts to measure the changing costs of borrowing money. LIBID and LIBOR were phased out in 2021 and replaced by the Secure Overnight Financing Rate. Here are 4 key takeaways. 1. LIBID was the London Interbank Bid Rate, the bid rate at which banks were willing to borrow eurocurrency deposits. 2. The offer rate at which banks were willing to lend to each other was the more popular LIBOR. 3. The most common currency deposited as eurocurrency was the US dollar. 4. Both LIBOR and LIBID were phased out beginning in 2021 due to rate-fixing scandals. Hope this would help. Thanks for watching.